Hey friends, welcome back to our cozy corner of the internet, where we geek out over the latest in tech and gadgets. Today we've got something super cool to chat about, Devin AI. It's like the new kid on the block who happens to be a coding genius. So grab your favorite snack and let's dive into what Devin is all about. All right, so Devin AI is this brilliant creation from a company called Cognition. Picture this. An AI that doesn't just help with coding, but can actually take your idea and turn it into a working app or website, like magic. But don't worry, it's not here to take over our jobs. Instead, it's like having a super smart buddy who's always ready to tackle those tricky coding puzzles with you. What's wild is how Devin can chat, plan, and get things rolling all by itself, using just a bit of input from you. Think of it as having a coffee with a friend who just gets what you're saying. So you're probably wondering, what exactly can Devin do? Well, imagine anything from whipping up a website to debugging code or even contributing to those big, brainy open source projects. And it does all this with a dash of personality, learning as it goes, and getting better over time. And here's the kicker. Devin's already been impressing the socks off people at big AI companies with its coding chops. It's like that one friend who's good at everything but still super humble. Okay, but how does Devin fare in the real world? Well, it's been out there doing actual gigs on platforms like Upwork. From what we've seen, Devin is not just playing in the sandbox, it's building castles. It's pretty awesome to see an AI not just following orders, but also bringing its own ideas to the table, making the whole coding dance more creative and, frankly, a lot more fun. Now, you might be thinking, cool story, bro, but why should I care? Here's the thing. Devin AI isn't just about making code. It's about changing the game. It's giving us more time to dream up the next big thing, all while handling the nitty-gritty of coding. Plus, it's opening doors for folks who might feel coding is like trying to read an alien language. With Devin, it's more like chatting in emojis. Here are 6 amazing things that Devin can do. 1. Learn how to use unfamiliar technologies. 2. Build and deploy apps end-to-end. 3. Autonomously find and fix bugs in codebases. 4. Train and fine-tune its own AI models. 5. Address bugs and feature requests in open source repositories. 6. Contribute to mature production repositories. So there you have it, Devin AI, your personal coding wizard. It's a glimpse into a future where our creative ideas can come to life with a little help from our AI pals. As we keep exploring this brave new world, who knows what amazing things we'll build together? I'd love to hear your thoughts on Devin and what you'd create with it. Drop your ideas in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed our little tech talk. Until next time, stay curious and keep creating.